Every seed is a miniature miracle. God has programmed the tiny sequoia seed to become the largest tree on earth. It stands 300 feet tall. God took the seed and hid in it the roots, the stem, leaves, fruits. He put a forest in the seed. He then put a seed coat to protect all these, to box it. The seed has receptors listening in for environmental signals, moisture conditions, temperature, oxygen. All these has to be present before the seed will sprout. The seed has the ability to monitor all these things. The seed is programmed to remain dormant till then. But when all these conditions are met, it's programmed for the roots to go down and the stem to shoot up. The leaf is made of miniature solar panels and are programmed to face the sun to receive energy which powers its mechanical factory. All the seed needs is proper soil nutrients, the ideal properties found in water, the correct frequency spectrum of light, the right atmosphere, and necessary pollinators. But first, the seed has to be planted. With this knowledge of the miracle of the seed, I planted my seeds over 15 years ago. My first public speaking was to my kitchen chairs. I will record and send it to my wife to critique. Then back to the drawing board. And today, with all humility, I am sought everywhere. I turned down over 25 requests to come speak this year alone. It all began with sowing my seeds. A harvest is only given to those sowing. Shalom tells us, "Seest thou a man diligent in his work? He shall stand before kings and not poor men." Diligent in his work. Don't confuse your work with your job. Your job is what they pay you to do. Your work is what they pay you to become. Yes, go to your 9 to 5, but from 7 to midnight, spend time on your work. Spend time on your seed. What are you sleeping 8 hours for? Solomon said, "In the morning sow your seed. In the evening do not withhold your hand, for you know not which will succeed." The sky is not the limit. No. There is a dimension beyond the sky.